Welcome back to the DIY auto repair channel all around auto techs. My name is Jeff. Today we have a 2002 Land Rover Discovery, and I don't know if you can see it there, but valve cover gaskets are leaking. So this is going to be removing the intake plenum and removing and replacing the valve cover gaskets. So stay with me and we will get this done. I'll show you how to do it, and it does have the air system on it. So I know there are a couple of videos out there without it. This is the one with it. And the first thing you want to do is to disconnect the battery, because you don't want any electrical things happening. And then also drain, you don't have to drain all the coolant, but drain some of the coolant, because you're going to be taking off these hoses here and there's going to be coolant coming out. So if you just drain it from the front by the radiator and take this off preliminary, and we'll be back.